Hello everyone, this is Professor J. Kim. Today we're going to turn this regular photo into this short reel photo using Photoshop. It is a pretty simple and easy process, so please just follow my instructions. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and set the alarm for my latest video. Then let's get started. Okay. Please download these 3 images from the link I provided in my description. So first image is a hallway. This is a photo of the art building of my school. I love this building. High and exposed to the ceiling. You can see all the wiring and the pipes on top. So I love that. And the second image is a water surface. And the third one is a shark's fin. So now select the water image. Select all, Command A, and copy, Command C. Now we're gonna paste it onto this hallway photo, Command V. And let me zoom out a little bit. And then I'm gonna change the opacity value temporarily so I can see the correct size and the position of this photo. So I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. So Command T. And hold down the option so I can keep the same proportion. Like that. And I'm gonna place it the top of this water image on the edge end of this hallway. And I want to change the size of this a little more. So edit, transform, and distort. Let me make it a little shorter to fit. So it looks good, and check. And then once it is done, I'm gonna change the opacity value back to 100. Okay, now on that layer, choose change your blending mode from normal to overlay. So it looks pretty natural, but the problem is we see that water texture on the wall and the post, so we don't want that. So we're gonna erase it. So select the water layer, add a layer mask. Then let me zoom in a little bit, and then make sure your foreground color is black. And then choose your brush, and just a regular brush, and then you can control the brush size and the softness of the edge by holding down the Option and Control 2 keys and drag your mouse cursor to the right. You can make it bigger, to the left smaller, to the top soft edges, bottom hard edges. So something like that. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. And just rub it so you can erase it by using this layer mask. I'm gonna have a little bit smaller and harder edges. Like that. Let me zoom in that part. I'm gonna make my brush size even smaller, so I can have more details. Okay, so we are almost done. Now, excuse me, go to the shark's fin. I'm gonna select the other shark's fin by using the quick selection tool. So quick selection, fin, and a little bit of water too. Okay, that looks good. Okay, yes. And copy this, Command C, back to hallway. I'm gonna paste it on top of this, Command V. And let me locate it somewhere here. So it looks good. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, Command T, hold down the Option, and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, now let me zoom in. See, we don't like that kind of sharp edges. We want to blend it. So this time, I'm going to use my eraser tool with very soft edges. And let me just blend it. Just like that. Okay, so it looks okay, but just to make it more realistic, I want to have a reflection of this fin on the water. So select the layer, I'm going to duplicate it, Command J, so I have another layer. Then go to Edit menu, Transform, Flip Vertical. Use your Move tool. I'm going to move down like that. And then let me zoom in. So you can move, you can set the position, but it is better to have this reflection under the original fin image. Like that. Okay. Then let's make it even more realistic. What I'm going to do is, let me zoom out a little bit. Let me choose my ellipse marquee tool. I'm going to select about this much. Okay, on the reflection layer. Then under filters menu, distort and zigzag. See, I think this is a little too much. Just a little bit like that. And say OK. Yep, it looks okay. And then let me deselect it. I want to move it to the right a little bit, because it looks kind of a little offset. Okay. So it has a better texture now, but it is still too sharp. So what I'm going to do is, on the reflection layer, let me add a layer mask. Let me zoom in here. And then choose your gradient tool. Make sure your gradient option is black to white. And place your mouse cursor so I'm a little under the reflection image. Hold down the Shift key and drag up. Something like that. Okay. And then I'm going to change the opacity value of the layer even a little less. Like that. Yep. So it looks okay. It looks okay. There. But I want to focus on my shark fin more because there are a lot of things going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some kind of vignette effect. So select your top layer, add a new layer on the very top. So this is a new one. Choose your ellipse marquee tool. I'm going to set my feather option about the 300 pixel. So it's going to really soft edges. So let me draw the oval and something like that. I'm going to relocate it somewhere here. Okay. And then inverse the selection. Under select menu, inverse. So now I'm selecting this kind of the frame. Then go to edit menu, fill in black. Okay. Then just to change the opacity value. 100% is too much. Kind of a little dark enough. Okay, so it looks good. So without this vignette, with vignette, it looks better. Okay, then, so what we did was, we turned this regular photo, hallway photo, is very kind of boring, into this exciting, surrealistic photo image. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can use this for your future project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.